Today I'll show you how to hide or unhide your Telegram chats, so you can keep your chat list nice and tidy, or bring back any conversations you've tucked away. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to manage hidden and archived chats on both mobile and desktop, and the little tricks for making your Telegram feel organized and stress-free. Let's jump right in with how to unhide or unarchive a chat that you previously sent to your archives. When you unhide a chat, it goes right back to your main chat list, making it just as accessible as before. Sometimes you'll want to retrieve an old group or conversation with a friend that you thought was gone. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. If you're using Telegram on your phone, whether that's iOS or Android, here's what you do. Open the app and look at your main chats list. At first glance, you might not see the archived chats folder, but here's a secret move. Simply pull down on your chat list from the top like you're trying to refresh. You'll see the archived chats folder appear right above your normal chats. Tap on that folder and you'll be taken into your archived conversations. Once you're inside the folder, finding the chat you want to unhide is straightforward. Look for the conversation you want to bring back. Now just swipe left on it. That's the gesture that says, "Hey, I want this chat back." Instantly, Telegram pops the chat out of the archive and restores it to its original spot on your main chat screen. It's kind of like pulling a dusty book off a hidden shelf and putting it right back on the front desk. Super handy if you archived something by accident or just changed your mind. If you're on Telegram desktop, the process is very similar, just with a couple of clicks instead of swipes. At the top of your chat list, you'll spot the archived chats folder. Go ahead and open it. Then find the chat you want to restore. Give it a right click, you'll see a menu appear with the option Unarchive Chat. When you select that, your chat instantly pops back into view in your main list. It's pretty satisfying to see it reappear, and you don't have to worry about losing any conversations. Now let's talk about hiding the archived chats folder itself. Maybe you want an even cleaner look and prefer that the whole archive section disappears from your chat list until it's actually needed. That's totally doable. First, go back to where the archived chats folder sits at the top of your conversation list. This next step is a little different. Instead of swiping on a chat, you're going to swipe left on the folder name itself. You'll see the option to hide or hide from chat list. Tap that and just like magic, the folder vanishes from your main chat list. It only returns if one of your archived chats gets a new message, so it's really out of sight, out of mind, until you need to pay attention again. Don't worry if you get a little mixed up the first time. These gestures and options start to feel natural pretty quickly. Managing your Telegram chats this way can save you tons of time and help keep your conversations organized without ever having to permanently delete anything. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. It really helps the channel. If you have any questions about Telegram or want me to cover other tips, drop a comment down below. And be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more useful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.